Hey colleagues, this will be a quick tutorial to show you how to set up MyWritingLab for English 111 and 112. I'm doing this for the first time in my 112 course, so everything I'm doing should be exactly what you'll need to do for your course. So the first thing I'm going to do is scroll down to Course Tools and open it if it's closed, and then go to Pearson MyLab and Mastering. And then I'm going to look for Select a MyLab and Mastering product to use with this course and click it. If this is the screen that shows up, just click No, create another one. You do not want to copy this course. Okay, once you're here, all you have to do is type in this case, it's English 112. So I'm going to type in 50019. If it's English 111, there's a different code, so make sure you enter the correct code. Alright, so search. And I'm coming up with this one template. That's the correct one. So I'm going to click Select. And then up here under course name, I'm going to give, just like it says, the course name is shown in syllabus. So I'm going to type my syllabus title, and then I'm going to enter the actual parameters of the course. So when it starts and finishes. And then I'm going to make sure that this is not selected. So it shouldn't be, and I'll just leave it alone and click Create Course. And now I'm done. I don't have to do anything else. All I have to do is wait, and I'll get a confirmation email telling me that it's ready for the next step. So I got my confirmation email, and I'm back in the Blackboard course site. I'm going to go back down to Pearson. I'm trying to find it, MyLab and Mastering. And then I'm going to scroll down and go to MyLab Writing Gradebook. And this will take me into the Pearson Gradebook. So I'm going to go to Change Weights and Grade Sync Settings. And then I'm going to come up here to Sync Overall Score. Come down to it's checked. And I'm going to come over here and select Category and Assignment Weighting instead. Okay, then there should only be numbers under Tests. So I want to come over here and make it 100. And then change these to 0. Okay, and then scroll down all the way down and click Save. And yes, I'm sure, so I want to change sync setting. Okay, so that part of the grade sync is done. Then I want to go back to Blackboard and go to the full grade center. So grade center, full grade center. And then I'm going to go to Manage and scroll down to Manage Pearson MyLab and Mastering Grades. And then I'm going to go into Grade Synchronization Settings. And then it says Select Individual MyLab and Mastering Assignments. That's correct. So I click Next. And then I'm going to click Add Grade Columns. So that error screen that we got before this, I actually went in and closed MyWritingLab, and now I can continue with what I needed to do before. Okay, so this is what it will look like once the syncing is complete. I'm going to check this one box for MyLab overall score and click Submit. Okay. And we're good to go, so I'm going to click Submit again. And then I'm going to go back into my full grade center. And right now, it's showing that the total column is the one that's the external grade. So I need to come over to the weighted total and set as external grade. And then I want to check that all of my weights are actually correct, that they're showing up the way I want them to. So I'll need to go in and select the columns and categories I want and make sure that they add up to 100% the right way, and then I'll click Submit. And be good to go.